I have the right to tell you what to do, boy.
With all due respect, Chief, you do not have the right to control my life. Listen, I'm a man now. I can make my own decision for myself.
Oh, you have grown wings. So talk back at me. When I'm talking, you can talk now, Amadi.
You think you can control me, Chief? Can you control me, Chief? Huh? Even my own father could not control me. You cannot control me, Chief.
You're dating a girl who is an arch enemy to me. And I want you to stop. Makachuku, if you don't stop seeing that girl, I will destroy you, destroy your family, everything that concerns you.
Oh, I'm
a dangerous man.
You speak about the enemy. Have you ever thought about it? Maybe you are the enemy. I mean, how can you be scared of a small girl? A small girl! Listen to me, Chief. If you come for me, I swear to God I'll come for you too.
Headache is running stomach. Tomorrow now neck pain, back pain. We won't understand. Chidi! 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 Hey! 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 Chidi, I brought you. Chidi, I brought you. Chidi, please. Chidi, oh. Chidi, I brought you. Chidi.
Amarachi. I'll pretend I didn't hear all the rubbish you've been spewing from your mouth. You know me very well. I'm a very dangerous man. I don't pretend about it. I could have your head on my dinner table tonight if I want. But I won't do that. because I know who you are to me. But let this not happen again.
Chief Imo, whatever title you give yourself, I will not let you rest in this community. You took away my family from me. And as if that wasn't enough, you took away my only brother. How much of a monster can you be?
I'll watch your tongue, little girl.
I will not let you rest. I will let you rest. Because you're a wicked man. You are heartless.
Chief, she's doing too much talk already. Can I at least shut her up a bit? I will not stand there and watch her say this rubbish about
Then
me.
go ahead. Isn't that your job? Everybody can, all of you are killers. You took away my family, so go ahead and kill me. Go ahead. Go on and kill me.
Abby. Let her be. A lion cannot engage in the dance with a chicken. I will let you go because of who you are to me. But for coming to my house to insult me, I'll make you pay. Get out. The offer still stands in case you change your mind.
Wow. Hey. What is it? What is it? I've been trying to call you. Where have you been? What is it?
Is it not Chief Imo and his dogs?
When did he again? Hey, sit down. I thought I warned you never to go there again. What's wrong with you? Don't go there again. That man hurt you. Now what are we going to say?
That man took my entire family. Amadi, that man wiped away my entire family. What more is remaining?
Look, exactly. There's nothing left, Amara. Nothing. Look, you know this man wants to be his mistress and he's going to stop at nothing until he gets that. Look. If you go there and something happens to you, who will speak for you? Amara, who will speak for you?
Amadi, I will not rest. I will never rest. I will not leave that man alone. Not in this life, not in the next one, not ever.
Amara, if something happens to you, I will not forgive myself. Look, be careful the way you're talking about this. But this Chief Imo we're talking about here, he has ears everywhere, Amara.
I don't care. Amara, will not stop until someone believes in me. That stupid killer needs to face the consequences of his actions.
Okay. Slow down. Amara, wait. Slow down. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay. It's alright. Stop crying. Stop crying now. It's okay.
Hey, Oga, what do you want, Jerry?
It's normal.
What do you want?
How you doing now? I still there for you. I still be your boy. Why they do me like this now?
Oga, I dey ask you a question. They beat around the bush. You think I get time for all this?
It's normal now. No vex for me now. I bring money come this time around though. I know say I do you bad last time, but no vex for me now.
So make I clear you something, eh? The money you bring, hope say you go pay for this one, you go pay for the last time. Or else make I carry my market. I don't get time now. They talk now.
It's normal now. I'm gonna leave the last time now. I'm gonna leave the last one now. I bring money. Come. You know my boss and you're gonna do me anyhow. I don't understand.
Okay,
you.
I relax, make I count money now.
You do me anyhow.
So which one will you want first? Beans or beef bread?
That's normal. I want the two now. But you know, agree me rest too. I want the two. But you know, tell me truth. I'm very guy now.
go dey take am easy, you understand? So, beans be this now, bread be this. Which one I want first?
It's normal, you know, as they be now. Make I dey chop beans and bread at once now. No fit dey chop beans different, bread different now. As they go. I use beans and bread, guy.
No time, sharp. I no get time, oh.
Chief, I honestly do not like the way you're handling this girl's case. So my question now is, why is she still alive?
Exactly, my dear friend. We need to act now before this little girl causes us harm in this community.
Chief, you people talk as if this girl is a threat to us. You make her so important, giving her relevance she does not deserve.
She might not be as important as you think, but she's quite brave in her utterances. Or what else would you call someone who goes around the community chanting and saying that you killed her family?
Oh. Well, Amara is just a little girl, and it's not a threat to us. At least, not to me.
Yeah, Chief, Amarachi is a small girl. I agree. But she possesses the ability to cause damage. My name and that of Okonu might not be in her mouth.
Yes.
But there is a saying that goes that when the stomach is running, the anus is affected. Chief, this is our community. And we call the shots here. So that girl needs to be stopped now.
So, what do you advise we do to her?
Just to show her the way her people have gone.
No. We can't do that. Not now.
Why, Chief? Is it because of what you want with her?
Okay. Now I get it. So, Chief, if you so desire the girl, why not find a way and get into her pants? And let this thing be done once and for all.
Let me say it here, over and over again. I mean, we should be discussing something more important. Not one small girl called Amarachi.
Okay.
Huh? Look, I have given my promise as High Chief Imo, Egobu Dike the first of Umuala Kingdom, that I will get her as we want. And if not, her morning will turn to night. Take my word for it.
Chief, asikwe ngwa ngwa emeghara ọdachi.
You don't know. See, you see the way you are looking now, By the time I send you money first time, then second time, guess what?
What?
The whole world will be asking you the source of your beauty. Yes, so you don't know.
So Chidi, you're saying that I'm not fine, Abi?
Clear your mouth, clear your mouth. What's this?
What?
Nobody should say that to you. Even you are not permitted to say that. You are the most beautiful girl in the world. Have you seen yourself?
Hey,
This community is too small.
No, if you talk universe.
Sister, by the time the world can see what I can do with my legs, Liverpool will be begging to sign me.
Amen, no. Amen, my
Sister,
brother.
don't worry, See, I will make sure I pay you back for every single thing that you have done for us. Every sacrifice that you have made. Yeah? Don't cry, yeah? Don't cry.
I'm not crying. I'm not crying.
See, do you know that my first salary, guess what? I will put it inside your store.
Hey! Odogu wake. Agunaya. You know my cat.
As a matter of fact, I will now take you out of this country to anywhere you want in the world. Yes, so which country do you want to go?
Me? See, I don't want to go to any African country. See, let's do it like this. Maybe America or even Europe.
Oh, Asia. Wait. Who is talking about Africa country before? I'm not talking about Africa country.
Hey!
The world. I'm talking to America.
Just God answer our prayer.
Amen.
Hey!
Sister, don't worry. Don't cry. Stop crying.
I know they cry. I'm not crying.
Don't cry. It's your brother. It's me,
I'm proud of you.
Chidi. By the time I give them leg over.
I know, right?
Leg over. You know these things. I'll score 5 goals.
I just paid for this place. When you bring your boys, see, over there, you have one of the beacons. Clear everything. Huh? See that place over there? When you clear, make sure I don't see any...
What are you doing in our land? I thought I asked you not to come to this land. When our father was alive, he made sure you didn't sell any of his land, and now he's dead. Now you are here, you are pointing at the land, you want to sell our land? Chief, you have to leave this land.
So, Chidi, you have suddenly grown wings.
Chief, leave this place. Chief, leave this place.
Chidi.
Chief, leave this.
Chidi. What you see at 3 a.m. Take it. Let's go.
Are you scared of him? Leave this land!
Hey, Chidi, what is wrong with you, eh?
What are you saying? He has no right to come to this land. I've warned him before, and I will not warn him again. This is my father's land, and it is our land. He's not supposed to be here.
I know, but you should calm down. Why would you pick it? Chidi.
Sister, what is it again? What is it again?
What do you mean by what is it, eh? Why don't you used to hear word? You have a death wish.
Are we still talking about this?
No, why won't you talk about it? Because now it's like you don't listen to me again.
Sister, that man is wicked. He's wicked. And I will never let him take our land.
Well, Chidi, I know, I understand. But there are different ways to handle this thing. No, everything is not anger. Eh? You must see other man with this tickle.
Who are you? Call me chief. I said, go back. I said, call me chief. Go back. Call me chief. Go back from here. Call me chief.
So you have the knives to come to my house.
The one who sounds the war gong does not pretend to be unaware of battle. Chief, you and I know that your greatest fantasy is taking what does not belong to you. And I'm here to warn you to stay away from every single thing that have my father's name on it.
Suddenly, the grasshopper thinks himself a grass cutter. Now you listen.
No, you listen to me. I have respected you long enough, and I have come to warn you. I don't want to smell you anywhere close to my father's property. Leave us alone. I have warned you. Stay away from us.
The ant is challenging the bird to a fight of pick.
Then you are the ant.
Abby. Why? Get up. The dry leaf that does not know the harmattan is friends with fire. Anytime you find him around here, beat the living daylight out of him.
This one is sleeping. Chidi.
Sister?
All right. Your body is hot, though. Chidi, what's going on, eh? What's wrong? Eh? Hey, Chidi, are you okay?
No, I'm having severe headache.
Hi. When did it start?
Started since I came back from training.
Hey, sorry, you. Have you eaten?
No, I've not eaten. I've been very, very tired since I came back.
Chai. Then you should have at least gone inside. Oh yeah, sorry. You know what? Let me get you food.
Okay.
Then I'll also try and buy medicine, maybe Panadol.
Okay.
Hey, sorry, don't be sick, oh. Don't be sick, please. I'll take this one inside soon.
I'll come back.
Oh, thank you. Who is there? Who is that?
Go back, we go.
Somebody help!
What? She must not escape.
Amara. 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 Okay. Amara. Amara! Oh my God, Amara!
They tell you that I don't have it. Where money?
Sorry, boss. Just give me.
Where money?
Just give me 2 hours. 2 hours. I will get your money, boss.
Okay, the money you talk say you no get now. If you get down for 2 hours,
Boss. Boss, 1 hour. 1 hour. I will get your money. 1 hour.
Okay. For that 1 hour, anybody where you see, we ask you what to do you, just tell them say that the money they owe me now they deal with you. So
sorry, boss.
And if that 1 hour reach, when I no see you for here, I go find you. I go make sure say I bury your head for gutter. Come over here, go bring my money. Come over here, go bring my money. The mad. Come over here. Bastard.
I'm so sorry. I can't believe Chief Imo can do such a thing.
You better believe it. But it's my God that will punish that man. That man is wicked.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Sorry. Look, I had to drop everything I was doing just to rush down here. What happened?
Can I ask her? She's here.
I didn't want her to tell you, but she insisted.
Look, even if you didn't tell me, I had a very uneasy feeling last night. I couldn't sleep. I knew something was wrong. I even tried calling you a couple of times, but you didn't take the call.
I'm there with my phone now.
Sorry. But why would Chief just call boys to beat you up and let you go like that? What did you do wrong this time around, Amara?
Do I even have to do anything? Someone that has wiped away my entire generation. What did they do?
If really Chief Imo is responsible for this, the police will be so interested in this case.
I hope so.
Honestly, I don't think Chief Imo is responsible for this because it's not his style. Everybody knows all through his community that he's a silent killer.
So you're assuming I'm lying?
No, I'm not saying you're lying. No. But check it, it doesn't look like his style.
He was the one that sent his voice, I'm sure.
Amarachi Beneme, we are police officers from the community police post, and we're here for you.
Thank you, police officer. That means you heard what happened.
Yes.
Thanks for coming.
But how did I know that we are here right now?
I don't know. Anyways,
You are under arrest for slander against the character and the person of well-respected Chief Imo. And I advise you keep quiet, because whatever you say or do here now will be used against you in the court of law.
no, there's a mistake somewhere. No, she's innocent. She's the victim. No, she's innocent. No, officer, no, there's a mistake somewhere. She's the victim. She's innocent. There must be a mistake somewhere. She's innocent. She's the victim here. Move. Officer, there's a mistake somewhere.
What station?
See, you should leave me. You should leave me. You are very troublesome. I thought they said we for officers. So what are we doing here? We're not supposed to be at the station. What are we doing in Chief Imo's house? What's your business?
Amarachi.
What, sir?
They brought you here for me to give you the last warning to stop maligning my name. Officers, has she made a commitment to stop doing that?
No, Chief. She's still claiming that you are the one that sent the boss last night to beat her up.
I see. You will stop at nothing to tarnish my image. Now listen. Don't push me. I did not send anyone after you.
See, I beg you. I beg you in the name of whatever you serve. Please end it. Me, I'm tired though. If you want to kill me, just go ahead and kill me. But I promise you, as long as I live, I'll make sure to make your life a living hell for you.
Chief, I suggest we put her behind bars, sir. Can you imagine such insolence?
No, we won't do that. That will give her advantage over us for people to believe whatever she spits out.
You heard him, right? If you guys don't have any important thing to say, me, I'm going home.
Come, we go back. Chief is still talking. Come. Amara, you are stubborn as your father. Even more stubborn than your father. But the question is, how did he end up? Even your brother. How did he end up? Be very careful. I'll let you go today. I won't allow them lock you up. But be very careful the things you say. Because if I ever meet you saying this nonsense about me, or any report comes to me, you know why I'm called Nkenkenyi. Let her go home. I'll see you guys at the station.
What, sir? Come.
Don't touch me. Wasting my time.
Before I call to meet you, just know that I've run out of every single option I have. Please, I beg you in the name of God.
Look.
Please help me. Please, I beg you.
Don't bother to beg me in the name of God. You've come to the wrong person. Anything that regards Chief like this, my hands are tied. There is nothing I can do.
No, don't say that now. Which one is there nothing you can do? This is something you can obviously do now. Please.
See, just like I've told you, see, anything else to do with you, I don't want Chief's problem. He has his eyes and ears everywhere. If Chief asks me to do something and I don't do it, he will definitely ask someone else to do it and I will be in trouble.
Look, but we are all humans here. Chief is terrorizing. Yeah, just an ordinary poor orphan girl that don't help, no anything.
Look, I'm in this conspiracy now in as much as you. Do you get? Me too, I'm paying my father's loan. That's why I'm working for Chief. Look, at this point, all of us did for T junction. Make everybody they bear in Papani. You hear me, sir?
Onye.
Come out. Chief is said to see you.
Chief. Well done, Chief.
Why, Ma? What will you do if you woke up one morning to realize that this house, which is the only property your late husband left for you and your children, is now in my possession?
I will say I'm finished.
You're finished.
Chief, that means my life and that of my children are spoiled.
They have spoiled.
Chief, whatever I've done to you, knowingly or unknowingly, please, forgive me. I beg you. Biko, Chief. Biko.
Your children are dining with my enemy in this community, and I want to stop it.
My children. Chief, what have they done? Please, whatever they have done, I'm sorry. I promise you it will not happen again. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Go. Help.
Your son and your daughter have been hobnobbing, perambulating with a girl who is my known enemy in this community. A thorn in my flesh. And they are aiding her rumor that I killed her family. If you were my shoes, how would you feel?
Umunkem.
Are you aware that your Efulefu son, Amadi, is parading this same girl as his girlfriend?
These children have killed me finally.
You have been killed already.
Chief,
They have killed you.
Biko, just believe me. I will talk to them. They will not try it again. Biko, I will talk to them. I beg you, have mercy on me. Have mercy on me. Please have mercy on the widow. Biko.
Wanyema, how many times did I call you? Let me tell you this. If your children do not disassociate themselves with this kind of lifestyle, the next time I come here, you will not only be a widow, you will have no roof over your head. Because I go to church every Sunday. I can ask Abby 2 times now. Abby!
Because Chief, just take my word. Oh God, can you pay me? What did I do to these children? Oh, God.
Oh, yes. People, sit down. Welcome. You asked to see me.
Yes, Chief. The business is booming, and all thanks to your connection. But we have a bit of challenge. As at now, we have recruited 6 more girls, but they don't seem to meet up to the standard.
Recruit more girls.
That's the problem, Chief. This community and environs, the kind of girls they have do not meet up to the standard or class. Because now, Chief, we have big businessmen and young boys as our clients. So they want high-class girls, BBL girls. It's a problem. Sorry.
What about the secondary school girls? At least I have journeyed with some of them and they matched my energy. Ukon, you know what I'm talking about.
Of course. See, Debo, these secondary school girls are something else. You need to give them a try.
My chiefs, I have tried to recruit some of them. But then it seems like...
Deepo, what do we do?
Chief, I need to leverage on your name and connection to access the campuses and the town to hatch these girls.
Deepo, do whatever you think is best for the business. All that matters is result. Huh?
Okay, Chief.
Now, what do you have for us?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, Dikbo.
Chief, I'll take my leave now.
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye-bye.
Elders.
Yeah, Chief.
What happened earlier was not good. The information I got. You didn't need to get physical with the girl. We have things we run around in this community. Please, let it not repeat itself.
No
We
problem,
are
Chief.
men of integrity.
Yes.
We must maintain it in this community.
No problem.
And beyond. Okay. Hey, go, no. Don't worry, we'll start our Christmas in July.
Stupid girl. Huh? I don't know what this girl is looking for. I do not know why she wants to turn my house upside down. Where is she? Where is she? Amarachi, where are you? Come out. You want to turn my family upside down? It will not work for you. Wherever you are today, I will wait for you.
Mama?
Amarachi or Amarampi. Whatever you are planning with my family, I do not know. But please, stay away from my family. Stay away from my family. Oh.
Mama, good evening.
It is that evening that will kill you.
Mama?
It is that evening that will blow up your mouth. I do not know whatever it is that you have kept in my family or with my children. Whatever it is, please, go and take it. I do not want to see you anywhere around us again. Did you hear me?
Oh, Mama, I'm confused. So what did I do? What's happening?
Okay. You are confused. What did you do? You will soon know what you did. Now listen to me. I am not your mate to stand here and exchange words with you. I have warned you. Stay clear from my family. Stay clear from my children. Did you hear me? You will not be the death to my family. I have warned you. I have warned you. Stay away. Stay away. Oh. Stay clear. Don't turn my family upside down. No. Don't turn my family upside down. No. I am begging you.
Mama?
I will come back. I will come back. Don't do what I've told you.
Can you at least do your mother this favor?
Wait, Mama, please just explain something to me. How is it Chief Imo's business who I'm friends with in this community?
Since he said it's his business.
How? No. Explain to me how. How does it work?
Amadi,
You know who Chief Imo is in this community. We cannot afford to be in his bad books.
Mama, look, this whole thing we're talking about now, I don't even know why we're having this conversation. Do you understand? Look, Amarachi is my friend. And if you think I'm going to leave her halfway, then you're lying.
Oh.
I'm going to stand by her.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Since you have suddenly turned into a captain, this ship cannot take the two of us. You will have to forget everything that has to do with your education.
Mama?
You heard me.
My education?
Yes, you heard me.
That's a lie.
You can't stand here and tell me nonsense. I have told you what to do, and if you cannot do it, then you go to hell. How dare you?
Mama,
listen to me. I have warned you, and I will not say it again.
What's my education we're talking about?
Foolish boy.
Mama!
Don't do what I've told you. Don't do what I have told you, and you'll see what happens.
Amadi, you have grown into a very fine young man.
Thank you very much, Chief.
Welcome. What are you doing in my house?
Chief, sir. Please, I have come to plead with you on behalf of Amarachi.
Amarachi?
Yes, Chief.
Does she know you're here?
No, Chief.
I thought as much.
Chief, I see that this thing between both of you, she's taking it the wrong way, sir. She's going ahead of herself too much.
Which thing between us?
Chief, the way she talks about you in public, it's not right, sir. I'm here to plead to your humanity, sir. Please, just have mercy on her. I'm sure the loss of her family members have clouded her better judgment, and she cannot decide on her own, sir. I mean, they say anybody that is drowning will try to hold on to something, even if it's air, to save their own life. So, Chief, please, sir, have mercy on her, please.
And she has decided to drag me in her debt?
No, Chief, please. And she has many flaws, sir. Please, forgive her, sir.
Amadi?
Yes, Chief.
I'm sure you read the Bible.
Yes, Chief.
Especially the Igbo Bible. I know what the Bible talks about. A good name.
Yes, that is better than riches.
Easier for Ego. Bam. I know that you have a relationship with her. It's not in doubt. At least there's one. Your father borrowed some money from me. So you are indebted to me with the entire family because he didn't pay. Sever every relationship you have with that girl. Else, I'll make sure your whole family starts paying that debt from tomorrow morning. That's the final warning. I'm a very good Christian. Only I go to church on Sunday. I'll be kind to you. Go home and think. Get out.
Thank you, Chief.
Amarachi. Your family will pay until you buy. You think I am a fool.
Look, Amara, I must be very, very honest with you right now. What you did today at the town square was very unnecessary, was uncalled for.
That man wiped away my entire family. And he's so proud to look me in the face and brag about it. He took my father's lands. And he had the guts to send his dogs to come and kill me in the night.
How many times do you want to talk about the same thing? How many times? 1,000,000 times? Would it be enough? We want to sing it in the street or chant about it. Amara, what do you want to gain from all this? The pity of the people that are in his palms already?
I don't mind singing. I don't mind until the people hear me. Why is everybody silent? Why are they silent?
Just beat everybody. The police, the community, vigilante, everybody is on this man's palm. That's why everybody is silent. You're not going to get one single pity out from anybody. Trust me. So I think you should keep quiet also. Lay low. Hype low, Amara.
That man took Chidi away from me. I will not rest until he's stopped. Okay?
Amara, okay, Amara, listen. Calm down, okay? Relax. Look, I'm sorry about your brother. I don't know how many times you want me to say it, but I'm deeply sorry. Okay? I am. Look, I heard my mom came here after Chief threatened her. He threatened to take our house and throw us out on the street. But look, Amara, I promise you, my mother knows where I stand. She knows I will never leave you. Do you understand? And I'm not leaving you for any reason, Amara.
Amadi.
I promise you that much.
Amadi,
Yes.
your mother is a widow. I don't blame her. She's trying to protect what she has left. So if I advise, I think you should just step away. I want to fight Chief by myself. I don't want you to get into any trouble.
Look, Amara, leave this battle for God to fight. Vengeance is for God and for God only. What if you're trying to fight this man and you now die? What will happen? Vengeance you will not see. Land of the living you will not be in. So what is it? Look, Amara, I'm going back to school tomorrow morning. I need you to promise me that you will not do anything stupid. Please, because I want to come back and see you. Please. Please. Amara.
That I cannot promise you. He will pay. That man has to be stopped. He's going to pay.
It's okay.
Ugonna.
Ah, my elders. My elders. My elders. You are welcome.
Ugonna, Kedu?
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you, my elders.
Good.
So what do I owe this visit?
Nah.
My elders, this is a huge sum of money. My elders, it is not even farming season. If I sell everything in this land, it's not even half of this money. So pardon my confusion, what is this money for?
Ugonna, we are not trying to buy your farm produce. What Chief Imo is giving you is the sum of 500,000 naira. It means you have to quit cultivating this land and leave. The community has just acquired this land for development.
My elders, please, you cannot acquire the land now. This is my only inheritance. Please, my elders, you know this is the only inheritance passed down from my father. He cultivated this land and passed it down. Please, sir, this is the only thing I have.
Ugo, listen to me. You see, I know you as a very smart young man. And I know also that you have a bright future ahead of you. You see, coupled with other small family problems, I will advise you as a father to take that money and leave this land. You know you cannot fight
I don't
Chief.
even need the money,
You
please.
can
This
also
is the
fight.
only inheritance I have. It's my legacy. Please, my elders, help me. Please, help me.
Take what is
I'm not fighting you. I'm not fighting you.
Or you want to
Please, this is my only heritage. Please,
Ugo,
Chief, my chief.
Ugo.
My chief.
Genti, they said a word is enough for the wise. I will advise you to take this money. See, you will lose. So take the money.
Chief,
I've said my own.
Bikonu, this is my only
I've
heritage.
said my own.
Please, this is my only.
I've said my own.
Oh my God! Please, Chief, help me. What am I going to do now?
Chief.
Huh?
Elders.
Yes. I want to thank you. You have done a good job. Now we can invite the Chinese people to come and inspect the land and make payment. Yes. And you leave it and then on Dubai.
Exactly. Yes, Chief, you're correct. You see, this is a very good choice. And this place will be suitable for whatever they want to do.
Absolutely. Bam.
No? Which is why I insist that they pay a little more than the 40 million naira that is the initial bargain. We can make more money from these people, or we invite the Indians.
Whether we invite the Indians or the Chinese, at least let me get in touch with them on phone.
Yes.
So that maybe
you're very correct.
I leave you.
Yes. Hey, Chief, what is it? Is everything okay, Chief?
Let's leave here immediately.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go.
Wickedness? Murder? All the lives of the people that you just took away? All the women you snatched away from their husbands? What are you celebrating? Tell me! Leave me! I am here to take back everything that you took away from me, starting with my family. I will be your nemesis! Oh, I will fill your cup to the brim. You will suffer, and you will die a painful death.
Have you not done enough? Come on, go home and mourn your loved ones in peace.
I forbid them to rest in peace until I avenge their deaths. And I forbid you to have peace until you've paid for all your evil atrocities.
What do you intend to achieve with all that? You disrupted my little party, huh?
What exactly are you partying for? You and all those are partying here today will die!
No, don't say that!
All of you will
Don't say
die.
that again!
You will all die!
No, don't say that again.
I, Amarachi, will not rest until I tell the world that you killed my family! Until I tell them how you murdered a good man! My father was good, he was innocent! And my mother was nothing but humble to you. What did you do? My father confronted you because you took away what was his. And you went ahead and killed him! And when my brother tried to stand up for himself, what did you do? You went ahead and took away my Chidi from me. You killed my brother. I promise you, you will die. You will die. You're a very wicked man. And I don't care if you kill me because I know that's what you're going to do next. But guess what? The world has to hear my cry. You are a murderer. You are a thief. You are a killer.
Amarachi. You have spoken enough. Agwo. Abi. Take her home.
Don't touch me. Don't. Leave me alone. You are a killer. You are a murderer. You are a killer. You are a killer.
Associate with her in this community. People are not even afraid of their own lives.
Well, what I'm saying is that it can't be that bad. You know they say that even mad people have friends too.
I can never be one to them. You never. See, my brother and his wife had a fight just because he invited her to the house.
To do what?
He said he wants to talk to her. Someone that has been going about calling Chifimo a killer. He said he wanted to give her some foodstuffs.
Hey. But Chifimo has been a very wicked man in this our community. He takes people's lands and even threatens them when they try to challenge him. I even heard he sends somebody. Shut up. I'm serious.
I don't want problem. See, all I know is that Chifimo has ears, he has eyes in everywhere in this community.
Maybe the trees and the leaves now give me more information too. Me, I just wish someone like Amara will stand up. Someone very rich and powerful to challenge him as well. We don't have a king, and he said we don't need one. That man is an oppressor.
If he wanted to be king, he can easily get it.
But I heard he tried it once and the gods came after him.
Whatever.
So, Marina.
Yes, Chief.
Call that way for me.
Okay, Chief.
You sent for me, Chief?
Yes. My patience with Amarachi is thinning out. I want you to get ready to activate the next plan. Enough is enough.
Yes, Chief.
And if she continues to drag my name, the final treatment should be given to her.
Very well, Chief. But Chief, what about the man that took her in after her madness at the square?
I'll take care of him by myself.
Okay, Chief. And the boy? What has it that he is her boyfriend?
I've already reported to their school, and news will come from there.
Okay, Chief.
Who is here? Who is here?
Who is that? Oh,
yeah,
hold
come
on.
out, come out.
I'm coming.
Come out.
Hello, sir. Please, how can I help you?
Eh? You must be very stupid. I say you must be very stupid.
So I don't understand.
Because there is no way you can be asking me stupid questions if you are not stupid.
Hey.
Do I look like I need help from you? Eh? I'm asking you.
So I don't understand. Please, I don't
Well,
like...
I am not here to banter words with you. I am here to see your father, Ibeneme. Tell him that I am here to see him.
That means you are not aware. My father is no more, sir.
What do you mean by your father is no more? Don't tell me that your father is no more. Go in there and tell him that Mr. Romanus is here to collect his money. And I am not leaving here until I collect my money.
So like I said, my father is no more. And before he died, he never told me that he was owing anybody.
You are lying. I can see you are a liar. Ibeneme cannot die with my money. And I don't care. I will not leave here until I collect my 500,000 naira.
It's again?
Yes.
500,000?
You heard me well.
Sir, it's not possible. It's not possible. My father can never keep that kind of money. And we're here starving. No. We could even barely find money to buy him a coffin when he died. Which one is 500,000?
What are you talking about?
Please, there's no money like that.
You see for yourself. You see for yourself. That means Ibeneme was a very wicked and bad man. You see, I'm collecting my money today, and I am not leaving here until I collect my money.
Sir, please. Please, I'm begging you. I don't take it. I don't take all this. Don't insult my family. Don't even insult my family. Don't even go there. Eh?
You have the boldness to talk to me like that?
Because you are insulting my family. I will not take it from you. I told you that my father is dead. But you insist that he's owing you money. If you want to go and collect your money, we'll go and collect it from him.
Liar! Don't tell me that. See, today, I am collecting my money. Whichever way, I don't care. I will collect my money today. Dead or alive, wherever your father is. My 500,000 naira must appear today. Or else, you see this house? You see this land? I will sell it and recover my money.
Sir, which one again? You lie. Which one you are collecting which house?
Me.
Sir, over my dead body, will you collect this house? You will kill me first.
Look at you. You are a walking corpse like this. Because I am collecting my money over your dead body.
Sir, please, I've told you. Please, just be going.
You have the boldness to talk to me.
It's like a very stupid
over my 500,000 naira. That your father is owing me.
I don't want to get angry. And then I've not eaten afternoon food. Please, be going. Be going.
Oh. You don't die finish because if I don't collect this my money, you are a dead woman.
Yeah, be going.
Don't worry. You will hear from me.
500,000 where? Every day, different case. Come now, come back. Chichi, how you doing now? How are you?
I'm okay.
Chichi, I said, let me know. Why do you say we should meet here? Normally, no one's supposed to meet at your shop. What happened?
That's my mother's shop. It's not mine.
No, I understand, Sha. How are you now? I don't know. I've been trying to reach out to you. You're not saying anything to me. Is anything the matter?
I am not avoiding you. But I've told you times with that number. If you need anything, you send somebody to me.
Chichi, I understand. But you know that Mama has not been wanting me to come to the house now. You understand. I just want to know, did I do something to you? You're not picking your calls, you're not talking to me, nothing.
That is what I'm talking about. My mom doesn't want me anywhere around you. Even if I try, you're not even helping matters. With your aggressive attitude towards Chief Imo.
Okay, but you've seen what he did to me. He just sent talks to take everything away from me. He ruined my shop, everything. My life is just in chaos right now.
See, anytime we're having a conversation, don't bring Chief Imo's name into our conversation, else I will leave.
Chichi. Chichi, it has gotten to that point now, Abi. Okay, I've heard. Chichi, I want to tell you something.
What?
You know that my life is not together right now. Can I get small money from you? I promise once I put everything in order, I'll pay you back.
Ha!
I don't have money, oh. I don't have. The only money I have now is on my school project. And I cannot give you money for my school project. Even if I give you the money, how are you going to pay me back? You know nobody in this community will ever patronize you. All thanks to you with the way you are handling things.
Chichi, did you see what you're saying to me?
See, I beg. I need to leave. My mom will be looking for me everywhere now. I don't want her to see me with you, okay? Please, I'm leaving.
Chichi, just like that. Has it gotten to this point now? Nah, man.
Oh yeah, come. Hey, where's the stupid guy? Oh yeah, lock this door. Lock it. Lock it.
What's going on here? Eh?
What is going on where?
What's going on here?
Oh.
What's the matter?
Which matter?
Why are you locking my door now?
Your door?
What business you people have with my property?
Oh, point of correction. Point of correction. It is not your property, it is your father's property. And if you are not stupid, you better leave that place.
Sir, please unlock this door. Unlock this door.
Unlock which door? Eh? Let me tell you. I have been telling you and I will keep telling you that your father owes me. Have I not?
Sir, my father is dead. So even if he was owing you money, it was then. I don't know about it. It was then.
Oh. So I should forget about the money your father is owing me. I should forget the whole 500,000 naira. Eh? You are not okay. I can see you are not okay. You just pointed out that your father's property is yours.
Yes.
Abi? Okay. You think you are smart. Abi? Now, your father's debt is your debt. Where is my money? Where is my money?
Sir, I don't have any money. I don't have any money.
You see your life?
People should unlock this door.
You see your life? You are running your mouth. You don't have any money. Let me tell you. You see this house? And the land you sit on, eh? It is now in my possession.
Sir, you lie. Sir, you lie.
Officer, let's go.
Sir.
Let's go.
Sir, come on, unlock this door now. Oh, you say you want me to sleep outside?
Until you pay my money.
Sir. Oh, I'm not playing, no.
Yeah, drag her. Bring her here.
Okay, now. Wait. So why are you bringing me here now, eh?
Hey. Stop.
You don't take my father's hand. I will not.
See, stop making noise. We are in Chief's house.
Hey. Hey. What is all this noise about? Why won't you let me have peace in my home?
Chief, we are sorry to disturb your peace. You know you gave a standing order that before we take any matter to the station, we must first of all report to you. That is why we are here.
Yes. Why then would this mannerless girl's case be the first? What has she done this time around?
Thank you very much, Chief. God bless you. My name is Romanus. I am a trader in the city. Her father, Ibeneme, borrowed the sum of 500,000 naira from me a year ago. I have come back to collect my money. And this mannerless girl is telling me that the father is dead. Now me kill the papa. How? I have told her, if I don't get my money, I'm taking possession of the house. So.
Which house? My father did not take any money from you, Ashiketo. You are lying. You're a liar.
Amarachi, if you can just shame your mouth. Bim, let's talk something sensible.
Okay.
You said her father took 500,000 naira from you.
Yes, Chief.
Over a year ago.
Yes, Chief.
You're telling the truth.
Hey! God. Hey! You're a liar! Are you a liar? That's not true. That's not true.
Amarachi, if you can just keep quiet, you will get to the root of this matter. Just shut up. Because about the same time, a year ago, your father came to me wanting to sell that piece of land for 500,000 naira.
Hey!
I told him as my kinsman, the land was not worth up to 200,000. That's why I didn't buy. So that's why you're telling the truth. The 500,000 naira is true.
Hey! Oh, this man, you're a liar! My father will never do business with you in this life. When you stole his house, that was when he tried to confront you and you killed him. You're a killer, you're a liar!
Hey, one more insult from you now. I'll put you behind the bars when we get to the station.
Officer, see, I'm a man of peace, ambassador of peace, United Nations. So I'm well known all over the world, not by this little girl standard. You see, she's mannerless. But you know, if things happen in this community, I'm one of them. I have to make peace. And that's my primary concern. So I will intervene by making you a proposition. Leave this matter to me. Because I wouldn't want a situation where you take over the house. Remove the roof over her head. That wouldn't be possible. That wouldn't be good. So, Romanos, I will give you 500,000 naira.
Chief.
Church Abasa. Oh, yeah.
Chief.
Oh, yeah. That is it. So leave this. She's mannerless. That's why she's not married. Officer, go back to the station. I'll give you the 500. Abby, let's go. Break, come, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
Officers, I'll see you at the station.
Sir.
Go.
God bless you. We'll come make a jemba. You know?
It's a guys, Abby. You are happy now.
You see your life. They run mad pepper like popcorn.
What is all this?
Criminals!
Oh, yeah. Come follow me now. Come follow me, collect the money.
What's keeping him now?
Ugon.
We can count on him. Romanus. See, I hope this is not what I'm thinking.
Onadia.
Are you sure?
He's coming.
You know this is money matter. Oh, he's here. Roma. How are you? Welcome. Yes. You see, I know that giving you this job was never a bad idea.
Mazimba, you will never regret giving me a job.
I know.
I am the best in this game.
I know. I know very well. I know.
See, Chief Imo thinks that because he's more settled than the rest of us, that's what the name makes him a god.
You see, you know one thing. That man does not even know the people he's dealing with.
At all.
We will continue to milk him until he gets dried. Bam! So, Roma, keep this,
All this one?
Yes, keep this. And I want to assure you that anytime we have this type of job, you will be the very first person I will call.
Hey, and when he has
no problem. Yes. Roma, okay. Greet your family for me. Okay. Yes. Well done, well done.
Ndewo no.
Ndewo. You see one thing there. Chief does not know the people he's dealing with.
Yes.
He thinks he can use us to be making money in this town. It's not going to work. He is in for a very big fight.
Big one.
So let's go and keep this money very well. Oh, yeah.
Trust me.
Okay. Who is that boy?
I don't know exactly. Okay. Open.
Let's go. It's open.
Chidi, what are you looking for? Chidi, I'm talking. Chidi, what are you looking for? Chidi, please, can you talk to me? I don't understand. Chidi, please, can you just come home? You've been gone for so long and it breaks my heart.
Chidi, please talk to me. Chidi. Chidi, what are you doing with the stick? Chidi! Chidi, please just come back. Chidi, please come back.
Hey! Jesus! Hey!
Chief, I heard your voice. Is everything okay? What happened?
No, I'm okay. I was... Hey. Yeah, I think I was thinking aloud. Hi.
You do. I want this source of livelihood. What will I do?
My love, why will you stop this crying? Eh?
See, babe, you will not understand.
Do you want to die over that piece of land and leave me here?
Am I not dead already?
God forbid.
What else am I living
Please
for?
don't say such, please.
Oh. Shifimo trampled on my inheritance. A generational inheritance. And I just stood there and did nothing. Now watch him get away with it. Eh?
Gona, I know exactly how you feel. We are alive and that should mean something. See, God will bless you and you will buy as many land as you want in this community.
Yeah, I failed. I failed my forefathers and that means curse over my life. Don't you get it?
You did not fail. You did not. Chief Imo is the Lord of this community. And there is no man who has stood to challenge him that ever lived to tell the story.
Would have been better if they had killed me. Gods of our land, are you going to remain silent and watch the innocent being trampled upon?
We cannot be fighting a man who is friends with politicians and police. Leave that land. Don't kill yourself. Leave that land.
I can't leave that land. That is all I have. That is my legacy. Don't you get it?
Please, I'm begging you. Leave that land for him. Leave it. You will get other lands. You're fighting over a land that you will die and leave.
It's not easy. You will not understand.
Please, I brought food. Please.
See, babe, leave food first. Let's find solution to keeping this land.
You have to eat. You have to eat. You're overthinking and you're overreacting as well. Please. To kill yourself over a land that you will die and leave tomorrow. Ha!
Okay. All right, I'll take it like that. Okay. All right. Is there any need being in contact by 12 noon tomorrow? Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Chief. Chief, what's wrong? You don't look good. Or are you not happy to see me?
A lot is going on.
There is nothing to be worried about. We could cheer up before you kill this mood I came in with.
You're correct. You're correct. So, how's your man, Ugonna? I hope he's still not trying to be funny.
He's just there, crying and whining himself to death.
You see, small boy who wants to eat our gas food. Look, I gave him that money because of you. Huh? And let me tell you, if not for you, what makes you think I couldn't have collected that land free? Eh? Look, better warn him. The money is still with my boys. If he doesn't go to collect it before 12 noon tomorrow, that money will be Gone. Gone.
Chief, you give me the money. Let me give it to him. You can't be poor and be a wizard at the same time.
You don't know which one he has chosen. Wouldn't we? Not that one. I don't know. Anyway, you say you came to...
Yes, Chief. So you're ready? Did you miss me? Hmm?
I don't know.
Keep looking younger every day.
I'm chopping my money.
I know, and I miss you so much.
Me too, but...
Chief, what's wrong? Chief. Chief. Chief.
What are you both doing here? Huh? Have you sent you to come and kill me just you did to my family?
Will you shut up? We are not here to watch you run your mouth like you always do. I believe you know that the 7 days given to you by Chief has expired. So quietly and gently move in there, pack your things and leave. The property now belongs to the community.
And you have 5 minutes to do that because we are here to lock this house and seal it.
God forbid. And God forbid your chief. This is my father's house, so go and tell him that I'm going nowhere. Not him, not anybody will make me leave this house.
Your time started counting the moment we got in here and it's ticking fast. So go in there, pack your things and leave this minute.
So you want to bully me out of my father's house? Never. God forbid.
Too bad for you. The God you forbid is Chief Imo and he wants you out of this house. And there's nothing you do about it.
Yeah, now let's see. You push my back, let me see. If I
It will have given me great pleasure and satisfaction to plant a bullet or two into your dirty skull. But somehow, Chief still wants you alive. So count yourself lucky, huh? But see, hey, listen, that luck will run out the day we see you in this house again. Let Bodu out!
Hey! Don't miss it! What's going on?
They just want to lock me out of my house!
Finish playing game, but you don't suffer too much now! It's not just stops now! It will stop! Come on, prove me!
Come back here!
No, sign now!
You must open this gate, though!
Get back!
Bring him out now! Take him out!
Get back! We're not going anywhere. We're here until you see us.
Open this door! He's like your man! Where is he?
Get back!
Chief Imo, come outside, oh!
Okay, he's here. He's here.
Hey.
Come outside, eh?
What is going on here? Why are these two lunatics trying to screen down my house?
Why? What is it? Eh? Haven't you done enough?
What is she talking about?
Why would you have them evict me from my father's house? Why?
What? What is she talking about? Abby.
Chief.
Who gave that order?
Chief, it was Elder Okono and Elder Mbada told us to lock the house and send her out.
What? They told us to carry it out based on the time frame you gave her to move out of the house.
I think somebody is acting against my instructions.
No, Chief. I'm just a concerned youth. Hey, Chief, please, I beg you in the name of God. Look at her, she's already suffering too much already. Now there's no roof over her head. Please, Chief, have mercy, sir, please. Please, Chief.
Abby, Awo, go and unlock her house immediately. Ask Elder Mba and Okono to see me right away. Case closed.
Okay, Chief.
If you don't unlock this thing,
lock the door.
It's like you're mad. Come on, put the come.
If only you could speak to me. If only you can say something. But you can barely look me in the face. Tell them. Tell Mama and Papa that the worst has happened. Tell them that their inheritance has been taken away by a man that can never measure up to their integrity. Tell them that their daughter has to fight for her life. I have no peace. Or are you that powerless? Are you that powerless that you cannot fight? Are you that powerless that you cannot defend me? Are you that powerless that you watch that man get away with all his atrocities? Can't you fight? Can't you fight like you did in your lifetime? Fight for us. Fight for you. Fight for me. Get vengeance for us.
Amara.
Chichi, what are you doing here?
I know you are not happy to see me, okay? And I totally understand. But you should not being your friend in this community is not easy. I even had to quarrel with my mother because I wanted to see you.
Then you are just a fair weather friend, and I don't like that. A friend in the good time and an enemy at the bad time.
You can say whatever you want to say, okay? It doesn't really matter. All right? Here. I was able to raise this morning. Take.
Chichi, where did you get this money from? I thought you said you didn't have money.
I didn't have, but I have now.
You have now? Chichi, don't tell me you stole this money from your mother's shop. Oh. I will not like it. Take.
Wait,
if you stole
now.
it.
What is wrong with? Am I a child? Why would I steal from my mother? This is my personal savings, okay? And I know you needed it more than I do. I'm just trying to help a friend. I mean, why would I steal from my mother?
I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you the last time. I was just upset. And thank you. This money will go a long way for me.
I understand, okay? If I was in your shoes, I don't think I'll be able to survive what you're going through now.
Thank you.
Have you been able to talk to Amadi if he has some money he will want to spare?
Ever since the incident, I have not spoken to him.
Yeah, he told me. I mean, but he's your boyfriend, he will understand. Okay? I have to rush now before my mom starts looking for me. Plus, I don't want anybody seeing me coming out from your house. Okay?
Let me just see you.
No. What? No, don't worry. Just relax, okay? Take care of yourself. I'll be fine. Okay?
Are you sure?
I'll be fine. All right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
All right?
Thank you.
All right.
Chief, what is going on with this girl? It seems you completely gone out of control. You've lost all ideas on her.
Yes, Chief, I totally support Mba on this. That girl should have been dead by now.
I have said it before. I'm saying it again. I am on it.
Okay.
You see, Chief, I'm tired of hearing I'm on it. We need actions. This is before this girl goes out of hand.
And to think that some folks in this community have started listening to her cries. It won't be long now, they will jump onto her ship. And external eyes will launch in on us. So we need answers, Chief.
Exactly.
And we need it now.
Look on. I don't like the tone of your voice. Have you forgotten you're talking to High Chief Imo?
Well,
Huh?
I'm sorry, Chief. But I'm just concerned. That girl's life is not more important than your reputation. Eh?
You see, that poison was meant for she and her brother. How come she escaped it? Hey, Chief.
I've told you. She escaped it.
Okay.
And I'm doing everything to make sure that things don't escalate. Huh? Let's see Amarachi and discuss why you came here.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, go out again. What? I don't like the tone you used on me.
One man.
Sorry, Chief. Listen, your continuous friendship with this girl is becoming unhealthy. And it beats me that you're not saying it. Wait, what do you think Chief would do to you and your family if he finds out?
Amara is my friend. I can't just leave her.
Your friend. And this your so-called friend. What do you think she would do if she finds out about us?
How will she know? Will you tell her?
What we share is a secret, right? The nature of my job with Chief Imo does not permit me to associate with any girl publicly. And of course, that's going to stop very soon because I'm handling things with Chief as soon as possible.
No. Let's just keep this relationship a secret, at least for now. Okay?
Keep it secret for now. If you are scared of what your friend would do if she hears about this, what do you think she would do when she finds out about other things that you have done? Huh?
Chikerema,
Mama.
why are you seated out here alone? Huh?
Mama, I'm fine.
You are fine. I didn't know that being fine includes sitting alone and being all moody.
Mama, I'm fine.
Something is not right. I know my daughter. Something is not just right.
Mama, it's Dipo.
Dipo? What about Dipo? Eh? What about him? Did you offend him? What happened to Dipo? Eh? Has he broken up with you? Wait. Are you pregnant for him?
Mama, it's none of those.
So what is the problem now?
Mama, I am just contemplating on the kind of future that I have with Dipo.
I don't understand.
Mama, I am just thinking, what will my future be like with him? Mama, he sells drugs. Then he uses girls for hookup. What will become of my future with him?
Has he given you drugs before? Or has he given you out to men before?
Mama, but my future is important.
Why are you bothering yourself? The young man is doing well. He's doing well. You're going to school today. Is it not Dipo? Okay, your brother is about to finish school. All thanks to him. Okay, my shop. It was Dipo that opened it for me. These are the things I consider important. I don't know why you're stressing yourself out of nothing. Chokwam, not something important. See, go and sleep or it's late. You don't have problem, except you want to give yourself one. Chokwam, not something important. Chokwam, not this one. My dear, go and sleep.
The evil that men do lives with them and after them.
No. This is the height of it. If I don't take care of this boy will.
You have come to the right place, my son.
His constant appearance is making me lose my sanity. Do something, please.
You have nothing to worry about.
See, hold his hand well, but this is the hand that we used to provide. You understand? Chief, now, relax.
That should be my friend, Amade.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
And how is school?
Oh, school is fine, sir. We thank God.
Good.
Yes, sir. I just finished writing my final exam, sir.
That means you should be done with school.
Soon, I want to just defend my project, sir.
defend your project?
Yes, sir.
The school you just started yesterday. This our God is wonderful. Though.
Thank you, sir. And yes, thank you, sir, for everything you've been doing for our community. Thank you so much.
Say that again. It's our little contribution to our environment.
Yes, sir.
Take care of yourself.
I will, sir.
Huh?
I will.
Good boy.
You
Good
too,
boy.
sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye-bye,
Thank you.
sir.
All right, let's go.
Yes, sir. What do you mean?
You forgot who he is.
Is this the reason why you were dragging me to enter the bush? I shouldn't say hi to Chief. I don't say hi to Chief now. I saw you smiling. He's a good man.
Smiling? So you don't see any suspicious thing with the way he was even smiling to you? You're not scared, Abby?
Scared? Why? That's one thing about you. People have good sides. You know, probably you're eating vegetable soup and he's very happy today. This is his good side. Relax now, Namara. Calm down.
Let's go.
Don't worry. Let's go. Everything is fine. Probably ate vegetable soup and he's happy and he just can't say he was smiling with me. He even asked me about school and I told him school is fine. Everything is okay.
Where is he, oh? Where is he?
This is why you came to my house. I hope all is well.
I'm a man on mission. I don't have time. Where is your son, Amadi?
What has Amadi done? Eh? Has he done anything to Chief?
I don't have anything to explain to you. Where is your son, Amadi? You are telling me so. Where is he?
Please, did my son do anything to Chief at all? Just let me know. Pico, oh? Eh? Hey. Oh, Amadi.
I don't have time.
Mama, everything okay?
What have you done?
Eh?
Why
the
is
chief commands your presence. You are coming with me now.
Which the Chief commands my presence? Chief, I just saw just now. I thought Chief on the road now. We spoke and everything was good. I was escorting Amara to her house.
Escorting who, Amara?
Yes.
After I have warned you to stay away from that witch.
Mama, please. Amadi. Relax now. Why are you being all dramatic now? Mama, it's not a witch. It's my friend.
Amadi, I don't have that time.
Happy or whatever they call you. Relax now. Lower your voice. Can't you see it's affecting my mother? Calm down now. You be going. I'll join you behind.
You don't understand. I said the chief commands your presence and you're coming with me now.
Amadi.
I'm coming.
Amadi, I want
Free me. Mama, you relax now. Nothing is happening. I promise you everything will be fine. Look, I'm coming back, okay? I'm coming. Mama, I'm coming.
Hey, Amadi has done it. Finally, I've killed you.
Trust me.
You have killed me, Amadi. I want you. I beg you.
Okay, move now. What you mean this one now? You waste my time. Something to worry you.
Please. Amadi has finished you. Amadi has finished you. Amadi has finished you.
So you mean to tell me that he still called you back after that incident?
I swear. I mean, I think at this point I should have listened to you. I was just being too trusting.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault that he likes seeing the best in people.
I mean, do you know what this man told me? He said I was going to suffer. That I was going to kill everybody in my family if I don't leave you alone. I mean, what type of a monster does that?
The type that tries to kill anything he comes across.
You know, this man even threatened my education. I mean, something that I hold at the top of my priority in my life, he threatened it. Look, I feel so stupid for trusting him. I mean, he threatened my education. My school.
I knew there was something fishy with him asking about your school.
Oh, it's my education we're talking about here. Oh. My education. School. The fact that this man can do everything he says without even blinking an eye.
Amadi. So, I have an idea. It might come out funny, but please, you have to listen to me.
Okay.
Chief Imo is after me, right? I'm the one he wants. So, why don't you just go back to school? At least until things die down, just lay low. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Wait. What are they trying to say? Eh? Is this how you see me? Wait, in other words, you mean that I'm going to abandon you and run away? No, hold on. Is that what you're trying to say, Amara? That I would abandon you and run? when things are bad? Do you think I'm here because everything is good? Do you? Look, I'm going to stay here with you and I'm going to be the best friend you've never had. Okay? I'm not going to run away. Hey, it's okay. I'm not going anywhere. We stand together. Alright? It's okay.
See, we just disappeared like children being chased by petty masquerade. And there were eyes everywhere.
We had to. Either that, or we would have stayed here embarrassed by that girl.
It's all your fault, Chief. That rat should have been 6 feet below by now. But no, you chose to endorse her, alleging your interest in her. You can flourish with as many women as you want in this community and beyond, and you've been doing that. What is it with this one?
And I have told you people, I'll make sure she kicks the bucket in due time.
And the time is now. Chief, Amarachi, the daughter of Ibeneme, must go.
Yes, you're very correct. That girl must leave this community. And because once she stays here, she will be constituting nuisance. And I'll make sure that she leaves this community.
If you want me to send her to her ancestors. Remember, she's very active now and carries out protest. The community's anger will be unleashed on all of you.
And when have we started considering the community and the people before we take actions? Chief Imo, it's beginning to look like this girl is making you go weak.
Look on, Chief. Did you call me weak? Call me weak again. Okay, no, call me weak again. If you don't join your ancestors this evening, call me bastard. What nonsense?
See, Chief, that we made you our leader does not make us stupid. You cannot be messing around with us in this community. Come tell me, what is so important about this girl? What is so important about her life that is more important than the lives of the people that have gone before, including our late king? I'm out of here.
I'm sorry by the way I sounded. But why are you keeping this girl?
Why? I'll make it happen in due time.
Okay.
But please, tell Mba not to do anything stupid. I'll take care of things. Look at, you don't strike when the iron is hot in this case. Everybody will know where it is coming from. We can't behave like children. I will take care of it in due time, and that's my promise.
Ay, Amara. No, now. No, you shouldn't have.
That man is going to die a miserable death. He cannot keep messing around with people's life and think he's God. He's not.
So when it comes to the death of Chief Imo now, you think you're going to be responsible for it? Amara, I've told you, leave battle for God to fight.
God will not fight a battle if we don't make a move. Okay, it's not the same man that threatened you because he did not do what he said.
Just allow Chief Imo. The man is full of threats. He didn't know the same way he threatened to kill my mother if Chichi doesn't stop being friends with you. That's how he talks.
You're my friend as well.
Yeah, I know. But this man is just making threats. He's just a mere threat. He's not going to hurt him because, when my dad was alive, they were friends. He's not going to do anything to
It's
harm.
not a mere threat, though. It's not. See, you are here because your mother lied down to beg him, to worship him. That man is evil.
Look, about that, I've cautioned my mother not to do that thing again that she did. I've cautioned her, I've told her. That's how women react to situations. I've told her not to do it again.
That man took away my entire family. Everyone saw it and no one said anything.
They didn't say anything because look at this community that we are in now. Chief Imo is the elephant of this community. And the people are like ants. Even if 1,000 ants come together, you think they'll be able to face Chief Imo? No. Let everybody pipe low and mind their business. And I think that's what you should do too. Pipe low and mind your business. Your mouth is too sharp.
I've heard you.
Your mouth is too sharp. It's too sharp. To pipe low, like everybody does. What's your post Chief Imo? Who? Where did they come from? How? I think you'll be safer that way.
Abi. This one you people came to my house at this time of the night. I hope all is well. I hope all is well. Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Help! Help! Oh! Help! Oh!
What's wrong with you?
I'm just having this weird feeling.
About what? The only thing you should be feeling is this.
Please, I want to go home, okay? Can you just drop me off?
Wait. You want to leave after getting me this hard?
I mean, there's always another time. You know, please, just drop me off. I want to go home.
Do you realize that you are beginning to grow some sort of wings?
I just want to go home, please.
Get out of my car! I just note that once you step out of this car, your secret will no longer be safe with me.
What? Are you blackmailing me?
You will do as I say.
Mama? Amadi? Mama? Mama left her phone at home? Mama never leaves her phone at home.
Look, Amara, I think I need to go. I need to go and see the situation of things over there.
Are you sure that would be a good idea?
What do you want me to do? I cannot hide forever now. I have to go and see the extent of damage they've caused there. Look, they took my mother to get my attention. That's what they did.
And
my attention they will get. Yes.
have you lost your mind? Huh? Oh, you want to risk your life, Abby?
Look, Amara, the good thing is that you're safe now, okay? But will you be okay if I go? Tell me.
I'm always okay, even if I'm alone. I'll be fine.
Look, I promise you, I'll be back before you know it, okay? I will be.
Okay.
Chief, sir, please. It's me you want. Please, let's not drag my mother into this, please, Chief.
You have some nerves showing your face here. So you've grown wings to the extent that you think you and I can stand as men admiring the same fruit?
No. Chief, no, please. Please let my mother go. In fact, I'm ready to obey your instructions, sir.
What instructions?
The instructions you gave me concerning Amara, I'm ready to obey them. In fact, Chief, I'll bring Amara to you myself, I promise. But please, let my mother go, please.
You had the guts to challenge me. Do you know why they call me Appet? I'm slippery. Appet. You had the guts to challenge me.
Please, sir, please.
I'm gonna mad if can disappear. Stay away from me. You're dead. Remain in that land of the dead. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. He's dead. Chief, he's dead. He's coming after me. Dead. Even a man's son. He's coming after me.
Okay, Chief. The car, sir. The car. Chief. Chief, you are drawing attention, sir.
No, I saw him coming.
No, Chief.
He has a stick in his hand.
It's your imagination, Chief. Nobody's coming.
Look, I know what I saw.
No.
Are you telling me? I know what I saw.
Chief, the guy is here. Let's go,
I know what I saw. There is nothing good about it. They keep it to yourself. Chikarama, come. I want you to handle something for me.
Chief, what do you want from me? Please leave me alone.
Don't you speak to me in that manner. Alona Yege. Come with me to the car, let's talk.
You have the guts to come here and command me after all the damages you've done? Leave me alone.
You want me to use force on you? Huh? Come into the car right now.
Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere with you.
Happy.
What is going on here?
Why are 2 times?
Chief, you got...
Hey, madam, hey. Happy.
Chief.
We need to get somewhere now. Let's go.
Chief!
What is it?
Chief, it's the elders.
Are they coming here? I need to speak to them immediately.
Chief, they are all dead. They are dead. One of the elders said he saw Chief standing right at the middle of the road. The very between the bush had a fatal accident. That was what he said before he gave up the ghost.
Amara. Hurry, we need to go right now. We do this, go inside, pack your things. We need to go right now.
I don't understand.
Look, you don't need to understand. It doesn't come with me right now. Look, I will not forgive myself if anything bad happens to you. Just go in there, pack your things.
Nothing is going to happen.
No, nothing. Chief Iman is total relentless. They won't stop at nothing.
But I have decided to stop hiding.
What do you mean?
I'm going to fight him. And this time it's either he ends me or I end him. And by the way, how are you here? I thought he was holding you captive. Amadi.
Yes. Look, I made him a promise. I told him if he lets me go, I would bring you to him. That's why we need to run.
That's what we need. Amara! Amara! Hey, Amara!
I won't do. Leave me alone.
Since you and your family have decided I will not have peace in my home, you will also not have peace. Abby, go and lock her up with Chikerema.
So you're going after my friends now too? How heartless can you be?
You call her your friend. You will soon find out. Take her out of here.
Chichi, Mama! Chief, give me my daughter! Give me my daughter! Give me my daughter!
We not go green. 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 Chief Commander! We not go green. 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 Chief Commander! Chief Commander! Chief Commander! Enough is enough!
Honorable Commissioner. Oh, yes, yes. I have a mob in my house. A very sad one. Please send your men immediately. Now, sir. Please. Thank you.
We no go gree, we no go gree. 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 We no go gree.
What is this? What is going on here?
Chief Imo, we are tired of all this rubbish you are doing in our village. Yes. Enough is enough. Yes. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
You are talking to me like that?
Enough is enough.
Your father could not talk to me. This is my last feast. I want to make peace with everybody. Go and release all this. Go immediately.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Amara was right after all. Chief killed her parents because they didn't allow him have their land. I was the one that poisoned Chidi. Chief wanted to take our house and made us pay the debt my father owed him. It was either he made me sleep with his maid clients or I killed Chidi. I had no choice. I'm sorry.
Hey, Chi.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please, this was never the life I wanted to live. I swear. Many years ago, I was convicted for life. all hope was lost. And that was when Chief walked into my life. I don't know how he did it, but he got me out. And since then, I pledge to ever be loyal to him. Oh, please, my brothers and my sisters, please. Just this one last chance. And I'll make up for every evil that I have done.
Who is your brother? Which chance are you asking for? The brothers you've killed.
Yes. Evil. Actually, like me too, I did on that stage. He asked me hope on family debt I don't even know anything about. He tries to rape my sister and take our lad if I did not work for him. I'm only working to survive, to save my family.
You know, we are still brothers and sisters.
We are together. We are together.